Hello and welcome again. On this section, we're going to turn some wireframes that we're going to draw on paper, and we're going to turn them into prototype really quick and dirty. So we're going to do a video player. It's pretty fun, right? There's going to be 6 different screens. One is going to show the video controls. Another one is going to show a drawer that comes from the left, and that way you can select the episodes on that show. And then we're going to show what happens when you click the video settings. We're going to show the menu for the closed captions, also the video with the closed captions, and also the show page, like the show, or the landing page of the show that you're watching on the video. And that's it. What are you going to need? You're going to need pens and pencils, pens like this, whatever you have, paper, or you can use a notebook like this. Some of them come with a grid. Those are pretty helpful because you can draw the lines straight with those. We're gonna go a little bit rogue and we're gonna use just blank pieces of paper, which you can do whatever you want. And that's it. That's all you need for this one, and also your phone at the end. And yeah, are you ready? Let's do this.